Earthquake-resistant devices in high-rise buildings are a technical system designed to minimize the damage caused by earthquakes. Earthquakes can generate strong and unstable vibrations within the structure of a building, posing risks to human lives and assets. When constructing high-rise buildings, and especially high-rise buildings located in areas with high earthquake risk, the installation of anti-seismic devices is absolutely necessary and mandatory. Typical earthquake-resistant equipment includes mechanical system, damping device, seismic sensor, automatic control system that helps it to suppress all vibrations impacting the building. For buildings that do not have anti-seismic devices installed, all vibrations caused by earthquakes will directly affect the works, causing unsafety to life and property. Install equipment to protect your building today.